UBER stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this from in the video till the end to find out. Uber Technology specifically at $85.60. Man, this is just freaking tough bullish market for me. Talked about this before, man. Like, you can see this sitting at 86 bucks. Here's where we are. Yeah, this is beautiful call out, and then came down, and then I looked to take it up yet again, which was a beautiful call out yet again. In this case, it was a background. Yeah, it was sick, and then now we're here. So with this particular instance, this is actually so good, beautiful for me, like, because we're still inside a demand zone. It already started shifting. I already started doing that. That's a great thing if you ask me. So if I do see it give me the second break, you bet where my direction on this is going to be at. Top, right? So we'll keep you updated. If you want to learn how to make it 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.